Tonight, multiple women have come forward to Birmingham Police telling them they were drugged at Rose Room, including Michaela, who called in to Mojo in the Morning Tuesday.
Obviously, not an everyday police report.
Yeah.
So, and you know, like I said, there's been multiple women who have already gone in and made the report, including me and my 4th friend.
That was the voice of the person behind the post that sparked the investigation. She wrote, "After about 2 drinks in, a few of us began to lose feeling in our arms and legs, could not speak without slurring, and soon after blacked out completely." Today, Birmingham Police Chief Mark Clements confirming the investigation, saying 7 women have now filed reports, describing 4 separate incidences in 2018, 2019, 2020, and this year. The department also reviewed its records back to January of 2016, finding no reports filed of anyone being drugged at Rose Room, only a suspicious person delivering to a group of women drinks different from those ordered. Retired Detroit Police Department Assistant Chief Steve Dolant says the case will be difficult to investigate.
Prosecutors are not just going to sign off on any case with no evidence. You'll need witness statements, dates and times, any witnesses that were there, not just the victim, but the witnesses as well. Hopefully they have video. Hopefully there's a thorough investigation, but they could lose their liquor license and the reputation.
The Michigan Liquor Control Commission lists Zayed Elia on the liquor license. Elia, the founder and CEO of both the Icon Collection and the Elia Group, with Rose Room part of both, along with Detroit's Park and Anchor Bar. The Liquor Commission today says any ongoing investigation of this nature by its enforcement division would not be publicly listed. Rose Room today providing an updated statement, saying in part, "Everyone in the Rose Room family, from ownership to management to our floor and bar staff, want to understand what may have happened here. We have already interviewed our staff and management, and we can confirm that we have found nothing that corroborates what we are hearing through social media. And we encourage anyone who thinks they may have had a concerning experience at our establishment to let police know as soon as possible." And the Birmingham Police Department says the bar is fully cooperating at this point, and the department will investigate this to their full capability, sparing no resource. For 7 Action News, I'm Brian Abel.